Then, ito po pala yung second level ng Erawan Falls. Dito tayo sa parang pinakataas niya. Isa. Ayan yung second level dito sa Erawan Falls. Ayan. So yan guys, at dito nagtatapos ang aking gala ngayong araw at kita-kits tayo sa susunod na aking gala. And goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, this is your boy Gala, no other than Herson Fernandez. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe. Hit my notification bell. And don't forget to comment down below, like and share. And see you in my next episode, next gala. Thank you and goodbye.